Unravel the mystery, identifying adjectives and adverbs in context. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of adjectives and adverbs. More specifically, we'll focus on how to identify these important parts of speech within the context of a sentence. This skill is vital in enhancing your command of the English language. Just a quick refresher. Adjectives describe, identify, or quantify nouns and pronouns, while adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. It's important to remember this fundamental distinction as it forms the base of our topic today. Spotting adjectives in a sentence can be as easy as looking for words that are giving us more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, in the sentence, "The happy boy received a big gift," happy and big are adjectives because they are describing the boy and the gift respectively. On the other hand, adverbs generally modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They often tell us how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. For instance, in the sentence, "She runs quickly," the word quickly is an adverb because it's telling us how she runs. Now that we've established what adjectives and adverbs are, let's do some practice. I will read out some sentences and I want you to identify the adjectives and adverbs. 1. The quick cat swiftly jumped over the lazy dog. 2. He carefully placed the fragile ornament on the shelf. 3. She sings beautifully in the quiet night. Did you manage to identify them correctly? In sentence 1, quick and lazy are adjectives, while swiftly is an adverb. In sentence 2, carefully is an adverb, and fragile is an adjective. In sentence 3, beautifully is an adverb, and quiet is an adjective. Fantastic job today! Remember, practice is key in mastering the identification of adjectives and adverbs in context. Don't hesitate to replay this video and go through the practice sentences until you feel comfortable. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep exploring, keep learning. Happy language journey to you all!